Okay, today I just want to have a quick video showing some of the common error when you use setup tool to package your package. So this is actually the correct version where essentially I have top level my package, and then I have my setup.py here, where I could point essentially put up all these informations, and then the most important thing is you can use this find package method to let it automatically discover package instead of input by yourself. But essentially when you do this, one thing I would warn you is you need to have this setup.py and the my package at the same level, and then once you have that, then you can do like a pip install -e dot. This will install this package, and it will have kind of a dynamic link where even if we change things, we don't need to reinstall it again. It will be updated accordingly. So when I run this, it will install my package for me, and then this egg folder will show up. One benefit for doing this, I hope you guys already know about, is essentially if you have a main.py script, right? Here you could just do like a import the whole package, like my package, right? So if you have more folders down here, for example, if I have like my sub package, and then if I copy this init file and paste it inside, and then I could write something here as well. Let's say test.py, and then inside of the test.py, let's just write a print function, right? Print me, and then I could kind of print the test. Then inside of the main, I could just do like import my package. Even I could do let's test it out from my package dot sub package dot my module test, right? From this file I could import the function print me, right? So let's try Python main.py, and it works, right? So one benefit again is if you have some other script that is not even located here, for example, if you have like another folder, this is very common that people might have like a notebook folder, and then they might write like sorry, that just follow the convention that this should be lowercase. People could have some notebooks inside, right? I could have like my notebook .ipybn or nb, I forgot, maybe IPY nb. So this is my notebook, and here, because this actually is inside the notebooks. So if we want to kind of import the function from the test.py, right? Usually you have to handle the past problem by yourself, which make it very complicated. So what I'm trying to say is, this test, if you want to import like this thing, right? If you go back to where the notebook is, you cannot just do like from test.py test import, this thing. It doesn't work, right? Let's select like a kernel. Since I'm using conda, so I might need to reinstall the package. Let me do like a conda, because I don't have the kernel. Oh, I might have. Let me see if it works. I use TensorFlow. So what I want to show is that if this notebook is on the same level as the test, right? If we move this notebook just inside the sub package, move. Then if we do from test import print, it actually works. It works fine, right? However, if you have this notebook in your notebook folder, right, then it will not work. It will say, cannot import that from test. But because we actually had this package installed, right, what we could do is actually my package dot, essentially it's the same code that you use in your main .py. So hopefully this will work, right? My package. This one, the reason this doesn't work is because I'm in the TensorFlow, and I installed in my base. So if I do like a conda activate TensorFlow, that's my conda environment, and if I do like a pip install my package, so it's supposed to install my package inside the TF environment. I might need to restart my notebook, but I'm still getting this error. Oh, sorry, it's not pip install my package, it's pip install -e dot. Okay, restart my notebook. Okay, so this actually works. So this is just to illustrate the benefit of packaging your things to avoid you to handle the path. I don't even know, like, if we don't use the package right, we have to essentially define the path, because you have to, your notebook is right now navigated inside the folder. You have to go all the way up, up one level, and then down to essentially my package, right? And then you navigate it sort of inside this my package, and then you go to sub package, and then you go to like test, and maybe you can do import print me. This is called relative import. I don't even know how it I forgot how I can go up one level, but you need to search it up. But essentially what I'm trying to say is do not use this, use the setup tool to package your thing. So even if this notebook go to the other location, let's say go to your main folder, I mean same level as your main, right? This will still work. The same code actually works. So that's the beauty of using setup tool. But there is a common mistake where people make when they actually use this setup tool, they would forgot that the package itself and the setup needs to be on the same level. Sometimes people put the setup.py inside the my package. So let me illustrate that. So for that, let's do pip on install my package first. Okay, and then if I also want to delete this one. So if I move my setup.py inside my package, then it could give me some error. So that's what I want to actually show you guys. Besides kind of teaching some basics on setup tool. So if you made that mistake, right? If you go like a PI, if you go even inside one level, go to cd my package, and then you do like a pip install -e dot. If you do here, the tricky thing is it will also sort of appears that the package is successfully installed, but the problem is that right now if we run, go out one level, if we run like a Python min.py, this one works. Sometimes people make mistake, and if the min.py is also inside and the notebooks is also inside my package, so they sort of ignore the fact that all this thing let's say if I do, sometimes it works, sometimes not, but Python import my package. I don't know. This starts working. I don't even know how it worked. Anyway, uninstall my package. All right. So let me say if I do Python import my package. So it didn't really uninstall my package correctly. That's why it was working. So Python cd my package pip uninstall -e dot uninstall doesn't have the options. Interesting. Alright, let me delete this. Also delete this one. So now we have like let me do my package not installed. So now if we you know, install again this pip install -e dot, right? And it says successfully installed. If I do like a Python and then import my package, it will say that you know, ModuleNotFoundError, no module named my package. So this is exactly what I wanted to show you. Is really, if you want things to work, this setup needs to be on the same level as my package. So let's try that again. If we go Alt, I mean, that doesn't necessarily need to go Alt, but I want to uninstall my package first. And then I want to try it again, then I want to delete this thing. So I want my setup.py to be at this level. The min.py doesn't need to be on this level, but the setup, right? Even the notebook, you can, if you want, you can put it inside your package as well. But right now the key point is the setup.py and the my package are on the same level. So if I do like a pip install -e dot, this will say successfully installed, and then notice that right now, if I do like a Python, and then if I do import my package, it will work. And we can try that in the notebook. You can also do import, where it will also work. So that's really, to summarize, we go through the process where you can use the setup.py to set up your package such that you can use your package without worry about the path, handling the path explicitly, so that no matter where your file is, you can use it to import functions using the same code. And another point we mentioned is the setup.py and the my package folder needs to be on the same level. Otherwise, you might encounter the ModuleNotFound issue. That's all. Thanks.